LPG dealers pumps. Manipuri lanai bottling.
First, the top news headlines. Minister Janta Kumar says people will have to adapt to a new way of living. Onil Shambanduram and Naresh Khagembam of Times of Manipur Television clinched second prize of Safe Nambu Media Campaign. Coronavirus affecting life of students, says Education Minister Radheshyam. Health Principal Secretary V. Vumlunmang inspects health centers in Tengnopal district. And Assam Rifles recover contraband items worth Rs 3 lakh along Indo-Myanmar border. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur Television English News at 6:30. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the latest news updates. Health Minister L. Janta Kumar today said that COVID-19 pandemic will have various impacts on the human in different ways. The minister inaugurated the COVID Care Center at All Mini Secretariat Building, Bishnupur. Janta Kumar further said that people will have to adapt to a new way of living. He also stressed on various health and hygienic ways in the fight against coronavirus. The health minister also said that of the Rs 150 crore under Ayush system funding, a Rs 4 crore project will be taken up in respect of Bishnupur district. Under Ayush department, CSIR Jorhat, there will be production of distillation plants and that the farmers will get a wide benefit from it, he added. He also talked about the economic crisis facing the state as well as the country due to COVID-19 pandemic. Minister Janta Kumar also said that with the surge in COVID-19 cases in the state, the COVID care centers opened at Lamboy Kongnangkong, UNACO and RD Wing have been overcrowded and appealed that all should maintain SOP guidelines. Oinam Constituency MLA and Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radhakishore, Director of Manipur Health Services, K. Rajo, Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur, Nita Arambam, Superintendent of Police Bishnupur, Priyadarshini Lashram, Chief Medical Officer Bishnupur, Dr. L. Gojendro, and Advisor of COVID-19 Relief Committee Bishnupur Headquarter, and Sana Joba attended the function.
Hết là có rồi yang deadly rồi mà cái gì yang people rồi mà cái gì virus mà cái nó nó mà đi simjin sajin ba mà nó 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 mà tâm chăng ba mà sao cái đó ba mà chỉ cần cái resource mẹ mang chăng ba gì mà đi qua cái mà giàu phải là mất còn cái chuyện minister đi mà cái bên hold ra cái meeting cho ấy rồi cái meeting mà mặc cái đó coi nào could highlight over the finance department ye kamusna highlight over the Manipur lady Makandi financial resources totally down on them. Hana people state ni resource legit. Adugi matato the whole government India Madugi lady Makandi financial can say very much run out over it. Why? Because of this COVID.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) today celebrated its 47th Foundation Day at the Manipur Press Club located at Majorkul in Imphal. As a part of the function, a memorial pillar of journalists was unveiled, besides distributing prizes to the winners of a one-day media campaign on Safe Nambu held on June 2 last. Athokpam Jitan of the Shanghai Express bagged the first prize of Best Print Reporting. The second prize went to Imphal Times Shambanduram Ajit and the third prize to Oinam Mission of Poknafam. On the other hand, ISTV's Michael Jit and Aboy received the first prize in electronic media reporting category, while Onil Shambanduram and Naresh Kagembam of Times of Manipur Television bagged the second prize, and Premchand and Subhash of Impact Times TV News won the third prize. At the event, AMJU President Bijoy Kakching Tabam expressed happiness over the recent announcement by the state government to increase the pension amount of journalists under AMJU to Rs 8,000. On the other hand, Education Minister Dr. T.H. Radhesham, who was attending the program, stressed on the importance of media houses to maintain accuracy in news reporting.
Foundation Day. Okay, birthday celebrate how much I have grown. I can develop advanced way I have to we used to compete with others. We should not compete with others. We should compete with ourselves. We have to look back and say 47 fourth stage pillar of the democracy, judiciary, executive and legislature. Money building section fourth state fourth state praise beauty of the press is independence.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchan on the occasion underlined on the roles of media in the governance and building a better society.
Role of governance as well.
Meanwhile, Times of Manipur Television today celebrated Vishwakarma Puja at the channel's office at Uripok in Imphal. The staff offered prayers, Vishwakarma and sought blessings from him. Final year examination of undergraduate and postgraduate students from across northeast India studying at various colleges affiliated to Mangalore University has begun today at the Manipur International University MIU headquarters at Gari Awang Lekai in Imphal. Education Minister of Manipur Dr. T.H. Radhesham visited the MIU campus in the morning and encouraged the students, saying that due to the pandemic, life of students has become seriously affected. He also said that the step has been taken up to save the career of students.
Manipur maximum population maximum states in Bangalore, Mangalore, special exam center Manipur International University Chancellor University problem quarantine problem tension take your time. We are here for you. University authority satisfied, but we are trying our level best.
MIU Vice President Pushpa Raj told Times of Manipur Television that the varsity has been declared as Special Examination Center of Mangalore University to help hundreds of Manipuri students and other students from the Northeast studying at colleges affiliated to Mangalore University who have returned home due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation.
More than like the Manok than the Tambolo Rensu, Mayaman P. than Abuji, Alhas College, sports game, where you think Berina, Marine, which is Asia, gets at the Photo, Adu Musi, Poleski, other Karaka, I think Mayamjana, Ramaki, even I know the man of Father like the Manok.
Yamna anak pahmane live ta sigumba program ama pantok 3 ako icha sing di hada challadi soidana nagadra kiraga exam papa thabagi kirame koina adu tanjada nako university kambuna siliba program di amnu ngai rena ako si amna haraure asi distance maintain to dana yamna exam gi pura preparation ready to na bai koi tori.
R.K. Sorojini, a guardian, lauded the efforts of MIU, saying that it would greatly reduce the risk of COVID infection.
Manipur that like horiba satra satri som the setla mayuk na awagan nang gada ba mayam se kamay taro kansigian na ko thadhana raba meeting tawraba matungda punang ki ayab lorga ngasi isa sing isu sing sige awama mayuk ni ba mayam se ko hanbidana Manipur gi International University sida exam thaba phanghanbi ba se guardian parents mama ma oibagi ekhoi yamna harawi yamna nungai Manamdi is asking Siki Kira Tamham Sida Makoi Layla Tanaroi, Karama Kadi Saparnico Hagasi Kalubamatamda, Eko Yam Harawi.
Manipur International University is an autonomous varsity established and recognized by the government of Manipur. Let's take a short break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Taraga taruk shuba Kangla Food Product ki Mapo Kumonga Mari Lainana First Kangla Food Selfie Contest September Taramathoidagi Kontra Fauba Pangthok Charagani Khwaidagi share masing yamba contestant da sale oina lupa lising tara pizagani aduga like yamba dana lupa lising mga pizagani Contest ki chanakanglon na Kangla gi food product ki packet ama hekta pairaga yamna mayek singlaba selfie ama Aikogi WhatsApp number 8787474818 ta thabirakadabani WhatsApp ta thabirakliba photo singadu screening tawraba matungda contestant details ka loinana aikogi Facebook page facebook/kanglafood ta upload tawjarakani Miyoiba samas na lariba makai nong magichang daba yatraba posak singi manungda medical science su ama oiri pandemic amadi epidemic disease kaya ngasi faubada maithiba piduna lakli Haurakliba mahiroi singda tungi asaga iroinana UNI Consultancy Private Limited na India amadi aborta MBBS tamningba mahiroi singi 14 lakhs cashback pibatanatana scholarship fangbagi khudong chabasu leiraba mahai tampam sang singni ngasi mag registration tawbiduna khudong chabasi manghan bigano hena akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau UNI Consultancy Private Limited Uripok Polam Laikai 7005092567 natraga 7640952247
Nabali na ako parang ano. Ay, mayang yun ako sa nagkamawari mo.
Akhirnya tolong bayar lah itu, macam tu tolong di sini na. Kami nak kan demi jual thos, akhirnya tolong bayar lah dia.
Aku laga dah tan thokar di fadam ni. Lain kalau isan tu tare. Mama papa positif oi, hai tu di. Mama sa negatif oi, hai tu. Kita saja. Sakro ne, sakro.
Nganthoi nang wakhal nungai taba khajan ganuko tamuna nangi jana thaknaba pojai thinba chakhibane keta leire habane khara lawshillo nangi dama ekhoi leiriko nang wakhal sonthagano
Aduk live duo natro red delivery Manipur the best delivery service pibado pamba posting kudak to oh nang order me amudi toromni bu nang na saning ba restaurant food sing do red delivery app season na order sat sida sunate grocery items sing medicine hygiene me amama yam relax ta over pay su to the market price na kuta yor to nangi di khangdi ai di yori aduga grocery items ni kauni red delivery for you.
Welcome back after the break. Principal Secretary of Health V. Vumlunmang inspected health centers in Tengnopal district today. He inspected Primary Health Center PHC Tengnopal Sub-District Hospital COVID Care Center and Primary Health Care Center PHC Moray. He also visited the under-construction building of PHC Moray. Vumlunmang was accompanied by Deputy Commissioner of Tengnopal, Superintendent of Police Tengnopal T.H. Vikramjit, Chief Medical Officer CMO Tengnopal K.H. Gojen, officials of Medical Department ADC Moray member L. Manikanta and additional SP Operations Moray Police Amit Singh during the inspection visit. Troops of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles South yesterday seized contraband items worth more than Rs 3 lakh based on intelligence inputs. The troops intercepted the consignment being smuggled across the border from Myanmar. The seizure took place at New Songyang and P. Chengyang ground around the Assam Rifles said. The contraband consignment comprised of Myanmar-made mosquito repellent, coil 700 kg of betel nuts and Diblo beer cans. The recovered were handed over to Molcham Police Station. Last Monday, Assam Rifles officials stopped a suspicious brown-color Maruti Zen car driven by one Pokanmang Guite, aged 34 years of Kamkang village in Churachandpur district. On thorough checking, the officials recovered 1.07 kg of brown sugar worth Rs 2.14 crore. The drug smuggler along with the recovered items was handed over to Moray Police Station for further investigation. On the auspicious occasion of Pishatau Iratpa, Manipur Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchan Singh today extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur. In his message, Khemchan said Pishatau literally means maker of all, and the Meitei community worships Pishatau as the deity of all craftsmen and architects. India reported a spike of 83,000 new coronavirus cases yesterday, taking the country's total case tally past 49 lakh. The country's overall COVID tally stands at 49,30,237 and 9,90,061 of them are active cases. Over 38 lakh people in India have recovered after contracting the virus. India now accounts for the highest number of recoveries in the world after surpassing Brazil on Monday. As per latest data, the Health Ministry's portal, 38,59,400 people in India have recovered after getting infected. The death toll in the country has now gone up to 80,776 after 1,054 fresh fatalities were reported from across the country in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected state in India as it continues to witness a sharp rise in daily cases. Delhi, the national capital, is also witnessing a sharp spike over the past few weeks. One silver lining for India is the fatality rate, which has now reduced to 1.64%. The country's recovery rate at over 78% is also higher in comparison with other nations. Moray Police, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations M. Amit, today intensified drive against people defying COVID-19 rules at Moray Market. Passers-by at the market without face mask were fined Rs 200 each. The police also collected Rs 3,600 from individuals who were riding two-wheelers by violating COVID-19 rules. Kakyai Youth's Progressive Club KYPC Kakyai Makha today condoled the sudden death of its active member and volunteer of KYPC Corona Warrior Team, Wahengbam Bomo. He died on September 3. KYPC members observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. The club extended monetary aid of Rs 14,910 to the family of Bimo. Under the Line Department of Kangabo Constituency MLA Okram Surja Kumar, MGNAREGA job card holders have begun cleaning the site where a Paka drain is coming up. Line Department Kangabok Part 1 Secretary KH Kalimu Singh said that the drain will help local farmers in their farming activity. Active member of Moirang Kendra Progressive Front MKPF Mauluvi Abdus Salam from Kwakta Municipal Council Ward No. 1 today clarified that none of the MKPF members has joined INC. He was speaking to media at MKPF office located at Moirang Pilem Laikai. Abdus was clarifying the report that as many as 150 MKPF members joined Moirang Block Congress Committee on September 12 last. He further said that some miscreants are trying to malign the image of the association.
Aikoigi MKPF tagi kanagumba mioi amafoba Indian National Congress Party da Kokta Municipal Council dagi kanagum amafoba sanghiba laite masida makoina change en haiba si masak maminga konana masi aikoingoda sengdopiro haina aikoigi MKPF ki maikai dagi Thamjari Indian National Congress Party da.
MKPF Chief Advisor Dr. Y. Modu also condemned what he said fake news about MKPF members joining the INC. He warned that legal action will be initiated against people spreading false information.
Yam atuba matamda Moirang Kendra Progressive Front si National People's Party da young nubiki equal Shams Haduna Layuna Laglabani. I call it Tashamakti, anti Congress nate, anti BJP sunate, no I call it pro people's welfare ni. Kariumba, I call NPP de Yorova, Moirang Assembly Constituency da a job in Pegama Legani, Aduga Moirang the Natana, Tidim Belta, Masung Manipur the Su, I call a York Matamda, a job in Pegama Legani, I call a Kali.
Another short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open for Naurem Birahari College, permanently affiliated to Manipur University and included under UGC Act 1956. Free admission for tourism and hospitality management and various other diploma to degree courses and training programs. And also special classes on Indian stock market for those who want to invest or day trade. Classes for beginners to intermediate and intermediate to advanced level. For details, please contact or WhatsApp 7005097748 or visit our website www.nbcollege.ac.in.
Iramdamgi khwaidagi liraba amadi amatangairaba Kangla Food nungsibiduna Iramdamgi pothok yokhalasi haibagi wakhalonda Ahanba Kangla Food selfie contest ta saruk yabirakpa pumnamakpu Kangla Food ki maikaidagi thagatpa fongdokchari September 13 dagi hauduna kontra fawba pangthokadoriba contest asida hauji fawbada contestant 58 henbana saruk yari amadi lepa laitana su thajinarakpasu leptri ngasi fawbada shermasing khwaidagi yambada malomdagi Ambika Yumkhaibamna Mangzil Thari Aduga Light Yambadana Kuraidagi Cherry Nongthomamna Mangzil Thari Ningsing Zaba Amana Aikoina Hana Supanjakiba Chanakanglon Sing Ngaktana Aran Bamongda Light Amadi Share Toba Sing Final screening numita disqualified Tauzagani Maramaduna Contestant Singna Contest Asibo Niom Chumna Saruk Yabiu Haina Kangla Food ki Maikaidigi Ningsing Zari Kangla Food selfie contest Saruk Yabiu Iramdamgi Pothok Sawat Piu
LPG dealers Pamzu Manipur Lanai bottling plant asi lakpaga iroinana Manipur domestic amadi commercial sector da LPG gi dealers khara pamjai dealers oibining ba singna officer ayuk pung 10 dagi nungthil pung 3 fawgi manung da laktuna tanabiu natraga contact tawbirau MS Kangla Gas Solutions, Malom Bajar, opposite SBI ATM, Imphal West. Contact number 70853-99802.
Nangna kokki secretary oraga covid na ba thoi na mayum da leiri sinang thingri ke gino ha nei ji mi u sitri ro
ta thembo thoi ba se covid positive ojara basu masa da symptoms ama to utte magi tungan ba room amadi tungan ba bathroom letin leiduna home isolation to ba ya ba ya ba health department na piraga leijabane masida akhoi gi thau ta di
wa yam khang mai wani na nang bu doctor ro ha
ai doctor oi ba oi da bai wana ti ai na haise asem mak tene thajadraga health center da sala hungu sine
anuk ji ne lalam ma ba secretary sai ni lao doctor ni ne dang ngal bi go
cái đâu có không mày tháp bốc thằng đốc này nè cái nào làm gì sẽ làm khá lắm thế nào
ado covid na ba thoi na mayum da sum leiri je akhoi loi siv dar ne doctor siu ko mai dong
adu gi oire covid-19 positive oi ba miro labi sing chahi taragi makha da leiba angang sing sahi umfu helaba ahal sing symptom uttaba patient khuding mak yumda leijaba yabagi ayabadu government na piri
sembro doctor
aseng bagine atopa state kiada home isolation tawbadagi anaba phagat pagi chang yam henga khabani delhi da tayengo mi chama home isolation tawbada saruk maudradi phagat pangamli bani maram asina home isolation se thingbagi mahutta ekhoi punong na sagot kadabani home isolation tawbada kiningai karisuliti adudi wakhaloi taminare ko ai mu chalukhige
COVID lanting na nabagidamagta home isolation gi pambay sizinabada miyam na saugat piduna mateng pangbiyu.
Are you interested in fighting climate change? Are you passionate about saving Manipur's pristine ecology? Are you a journalist? If you are, then you are eligible for the 12 media fellowships of rupees 50,000 a year with citations instituted by the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change. Apply on forms published in all major local dailies on or before the 20th of September. Together, let us save planet Earth, the living world's only home. Think global, act local.
Sina pare, tan ba dinate ko? Asengba, ay na pamba, darkar ba grocery items singa. Red delivery app season araga order to biro loire. Chaning ba restaurant ki food po erasu overpay to budilar dana. Pot khuding ma discount pibaga loina na. Khudak te inakti yore isine. Red delivery for you.
Welcome back. Kokching High School 1994 matric batch students today planted saplings at Kerajing and roadsides of Loyai to mark the World Ozone Day 2020. They also celebrated Vishwakarma Puja. Ann Munal Mite of the group told media that humans are at the receiving end due to ozone layer depletion. He said that in order to prevent the ozone layer depletion, this year World Ozone Day is observed on the theme Ozone for Life across the world. Universal Friendship Organization UFO today paid homage to the departed souls of forefathers by offering fruits and edibles at Hairok Ningtho Memorial Site located at Hairok Ching. UFO maintained COVID-19 SOP during the program. BJP State Council member Kongbal Tabam Ibomcha today distributed rice to the poor and needy families of Nongren who do not possess NFSA cards amid the coronavirus pandemic. Around 32 families of Nongren received 10 kgs of rice each. The BJP member also donated money to Sejang resident. Young Minds Collective YMC Manipur organized a one-day awareness cum discussion program on the theme Crime against Women in Manipur with special reference to the Mayang Imphal Thambalnu case at Bengun Lokok Community Hall at Mayang Imphal yesterday. The program was to promote the rights, dignities and values of women for a peaceful and harmonic society. YMC condemned crimes against women and children in the society and demanded the competent authority to deliver quick justice to the Mayang Imphal rape victim. 109 Battalion CRPF under the aegis of IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector carried out a sanitization drive and fogging exercise at the office premises of Accountant General AG and its surroundings today. The sanitization was carried out under the guidance of Commandant of 190 Battalion Ujjal Datta 21C and Adjutant 109 Battalion Rajiv Singh. Citizens Club Soibam Lekai today celebrated its 62nd Foundation Day at the club premises. At the event, the club flag was hoisted and the participants paid floral tribute to the photos of late members. This was informed in a press release from Citizens Club General Secretary Sanjeev Maitram. India's biggest bank, State Bank of India (SBI), is extending OTP-based cash withdrawal for Rs 10,000 and above throughout the day across all SBI ATM booths in the country. This will be effective from September 18, 2020. For withdrawing Rs 10,000 and above, SBI debit card holders now have to enter OTP sent on their registered mobile numbers along with their debit card PIN each time. Implementing the new facility throughout the day would prevent SBI debit card holders from the risk of falling prey to fraudsters, unauthorized withdrawals, card skimming, card cloning, and the likes, SBI said in the statement. Once customer enters the amount they wish to withdraw, the ATM screen will ask for OTP, where they would require to enter the same received on their registered mobile number, a report said. The Union Home Ministry today stated that there had been no infiltration along the Indo-China border in the last 6 months as the government looks to play down the reported incursions by the Chinese troops in Ladakh as attempted transgressions. In reply to a question posed by Rajya Sabha MP Dr. Anil Agarwal, Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai stated that no infiltration has been reported along Indo-China border during the last 6 months. His reply listed 47 attempts of infiltration from Pakistan since February. The statement has generated controversy in light of the constant conflict between Chinese PLA and Indian Army in eastern Ladakh since May. Questions have been raised as to why India has been demanding the restoration of status quo ante as of April in diplomatic and military meetings if there were no incursions. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Minister Jayanta Kumar says people will have to adapt to a new way of living. Onil Shambanduram and Naresh Khagembam of Times of Manipur Television clinched second prize of Safe Nambu Media Campaign. Coronavirus affecting life of students, says Education Minister Radhesham. Health Principal Secretary V. Vumlunmong inspects health centers in Tengnopal district. And Assam Rifles recovers contraband items worth Rs 3 lakh along Indo-Myanmar border. That is the end of the bulletin for the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.